What is the easiest way to remove all packages installed by pip? I'm trying to fix up one of my virtualenvs. I'd like to reset all of the installed libraries back to the ones that match production. Is there a quick and easy way to do this with pip?
I found this snippet as an alternative solution. It's a more graceful removal of libraries than remaking the virtualenv. In case you have packages installed via VCS, you need to exclude those lines and remove the packages manually, elevated from the comments below. If you have packages installed directly from GitHub/GitLab, those will have at like Django at Git plus https://github.com/django.git at sha. You can add cut d at F1 to get just the package name that is required to uninstall it.
This will work for all Mac, Windows, and Linux systems. To get the list of all pip packages in the requirements.txt file, note, this will overwrite requirements.txt if exist, else will create the new one. Also, if you don't want to replace old requirements.txt, then give different file name in the all following command and place requirements.txt. Now to remove one by one. If we want to remove all at once, then if you're working on an existing project that has a requirements.txt file and your environment has diverged, simply replace requirements.txt from the above examples with remove.txt. Then, once you have gone through the steps above, you can use the requirements.txt to update your now clean environment. And for single command without creating any file, as at Job suggested.
I wanted to elevate this answer out of a comment section because it's one of the most elegant solutions in the thread. Full credit for this answer goes to @Job. This worked great for me for the use case of clearing my user packages folder outside the context of a virtualenv, which many of the above answers don't handle. Edit: anyone know how to make this command work in a makefile? Bonus: a bash alias. I add this to my bash profile for convenience. Then run. Alternative for pythonpackaging. If you are using pythonpackaging, you can run. Alternative for poetry. If you are using poetry, run. Note that you need to change the version number there to match whatever your Python version is.
This works with the latest. I think it's the shortest and most declarative way to do it. But why not just delete and recreate the virtualenv? Immutability rules. Besides, it's hard to remember all those piping and grepping the other solutions use.
Philosophy.